All right, I'm going to talk about slide 4 and 5 this time because they link together. One's talking about the positive features of the internal road, and so that's slide 4. Slide 5 is talking about the negative features of the internal road. So they'll both be similar in what you need to do. So first of all, you need to decide on some positive features of the internal road. And you need to insert photos, or if you took some video, of the key qualities and features or amenities that make up the internal road attractive or successful. So what that means is you need to look at the key qualities. So remember, the key qualities are in our document here on the place diagram as well. So accessibility, uses and activities, sociability, and comfort and image. So whenever you are looking at the features, you need to link them to one of those 4 things. Some of them may be linked to more than one. All right, so for here, for example, the positive features of the internal road, I can think of the Anzac Memorial would be a great example of a positive feature of the internal road. Now remember, we're talking about what it looks like now. We're not talking about what you want it to look like. This is what it currently looks like. So what are some really good stuff that's happening on the internal road right now? Obviously, there's a lot of improvements that need to be made, but what are some good things related to those 4 key qualities on the internal road? So I said the Anzac Memorial. So that is a use or activity for that. It also has some seating, so it's good for sociability. And I'll just have to have, you can access it quite well, but also for accessibility, I would say the stairs on the internal road are quite good. So you have a lot of access to the different buildings from all the different access points via the stairs along there. So that's a good positive feature of the internal road. You need to think of some yourself. All right, so you're putting the photos on this slide, the positive features, and on your transcript, you are doing on slide 4 a description of the positive features of the internal road. Now, remembering to link them to the 4 key qualities: accessibility, use activities, sociability, and comfort and image. So making sure that you are writing that together and linking it. Okay, the next slide then, as you've probably realized, is about the negative features of the internal road. So for me, I would say that comfort and image is probably not a really good quality of the internal road, in the way that it's got a lot of bitumen, there's not a lot of grassy areas to sit. So I would take some photos of the bitumen areas that and say that that is quite a negative feature of the internal road, relating that to comfort and image. All right, so again, putting your photos on here, and then on your transcript, slide 5, description of the negative features, relating them then to the 4 key qualities here.